etiefo nanka ende yente asende na yedanyankopon ase say the worst didn't happen. Assembly say the land ministry your friend and Rebecca said the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources your friend Kweku Asuma Treme wama yache driver bi driver no kra no first no illegally na we ko twitwa ndua wodi egu car mu a wo transport ewo Sonyane in the Bono region na etiefo the CN is a minister nankasa no he was returning from a trip in a year Bono region no every Sonyane ho na trese wo fit trip bi like wo fit ho aba a year in crime na wo ba no na trese ni board track bi so na track no na registration number no AS4955E na track it was loaded with an illegal and with a lot of illegal lumber. Na track no headed to a year Doma from Yeji in the Bono East region. Na minister ni hu sana na trese wono oye Minister of Lands and Natural Resources. India, rosewood, anything but any other things no is part of our natural resources. Into no the field no. Into who senya yedi India ne go kan nim ohu trese wono ani ni boss no hu se dabi ade we de illegal. Into no minister nankasa na je se nanka was stop it track no. But the driver ignore him. And will be nim ebiana driver ni nim say or no Minister of Lands and Natural Resources and another driver ni nim na or share that way fino say then the driver actually ignored the minister and a driver no the can ebe bo minister ne can him and I was saying minister no the car etiefo na minister ne can him o share track any minister obviously ebiana minister no wo twi Land Cruiser because ministers in Land Cruisers no butchi but share tracker as so Land Cruiser kra it was the bo minister ne kan him essay minister ne kan de poto na nyamencha de minister no wenwu eka de senior accident ni see no eka de na nko wowu na driver no na nka want to mean case wenwu say minister no man the signal say wonjina he can't say that inti esisa no na minister no efre nkrofo ewo kroni won say esisa na bia na driver no wo the speed the background what they pay minister ne kan nim there wo be slow down kakra na trese minister no enzo mo area nim ho no so wo munim no to obo pa na nkrofo be boa no nkrofo boa no na trese mo chase driver ni ne na driver no ade a wo sanso echo we fikra eti wo mo chase driver no na wo mo ekoche driver no na minister no de na wo pese wo ya no say he wanted to inquire about the destination of the lumber. As I said, Indiana wo mo ko twa egu kan no minister ne pese wo bisa say Indiana wo ko twa free because minister nim say sa area na kan the free air no ya bane India twa e was sa area nim it was also a Minister of Lands and Natural Resources intino wo pese wo hu baby pot ya nkofo yi ekotwa India no free na the the good citizens of the area ebomode HAC driver no no etiefo wo mo no na assembly serie no na minister no say nkrofote assembly will be around ebeka say minister no na ke yekuno Minister of Way na ke yekuno na say na trese media and press phobia so around na woni omo twetwe nkomo na waka say yes the driver ne de sisi ya chino na ono minister no he suspected that something was fishy with the document covering the lumber because womoche driver no mokata driver ne say one fa enkrata etre say India we bokotwa free ha na wotwa no embra kwan so no one fa tre na the driver no so yi enkrata no ebae but minister no carefully or examine enkrata na driver no edeba no wo hu no say dabi the amount a driver no ATI for VAT was higher than the actual cost of the lumber. Meanwhile, VAT is just supposed to be a fraction of the actual cost. You find say, Ebia, Indiana we ko chano, 100,000 Ghana cedis. VAT is supposed to be ABR 1,000 Ghana cedis. It's just supposed to be a fraction. And that's a VAT as soon as the actual cost. But what most study document no who say as a VAT ni mo kra so say the actual cost of Indiana we ko twa no. E ho na minister no ka say dabi we die kululu bi akoso wo baby. It is that further raised the minister and his entourage, no, that further raised their suspicion. It is the only year and they say assembly there, baby could do it was say ye de echo police for him. It is minister no and the driver no womo ye no mo call police for her. Yes, Sunyani police station. And a minister no echo jan the license at her. Driver then so agent the license and then the documents at her. It's here for now minister no when you air no and a minister no esanso car say it is the fight against illegal laundering and road food in the country. Now, we am the dealers of this particular thing. Was that Yabane sa India chichano and the road food ni India bi chicha. And until the man minister they raising the suspicion of man or car said driver then stop your driver now stop you. Now, minister they say won him say Ghana there was that bibi bani ya banana criminals no womo pe ya up another way. It was him say be criminals now womo wie Indiano womo up another way womo they transport Indiano from unapproved means. It's here no and the minister no say driver we be there no offer no na any approved a year route. And then a man minister the first suspicion a page ya or car say you stop a driver no. Because the ministry know women need information in here and they are always on high alert. Now when there driver no the time ye and they say ebia wokoto will be a we juma ema minister na trese nipa kono obeka so manuska kakra we the minister na nkasa na wakoto no wakoto task force ni bia we the minister na nkasa nti ukosi that bribe no. Now it's here for assemble eba abonte no mo nim Ghana nsemba na omo asabe omo wo position no omo epese omo de gari egum akoye se ebia dabi omo de ahia egu gari mo sana iseme kan akoye se ukita gari no obi abesa ahia egu gari ni nte so wa se gari ni krama assemble eba no enkrofo bi ehyaase e wo social media especially Facebook ka say oh minister no oboa na minister no na dwen say wo je bribe wo nkrofo yi ho na nkrofo na pede na minister na ma ya che drivers na me say oh ho Ghana aden enti minister abomodin ama ya che driver anaka driver no wo ye ku minister no minister na abomodin no nkasa ama ya che driver no de driver na ko police station no Ghana for 7 producer na ki yebepon se mama minister no say Mr. Kweku Asoma Treme we die why ya die ye say dabi ye dey to the sumo say we demand for bribe 7 producer sa omo ko twa ndie bribe be say na ko metumi ama minister yi go kan the minister no could demand for bribe na microphone na fan man no and the minister no share that man you detaining microphone overnight but minister no address that particular allegation no and okasa we there sebe enipa bonifu bi na trese wo mo ankasa asem we wo mo adwen ho e dia ba na me asem we kra me metina ho no amete asem no na me kra mesre. How can you even think this way? Like, do you think the minister will do something like this? How can you even reason this way? Ebi mo de sa wonya wo carry a waye uso kinse wudi no de ahia beguma send sa keke amount so who to me embo minister na baso wa de a waye say wama yachi illegal driver bi say and wama yachi wo bi a 77 period asaye susu say waye illegal felon of 3 say so who to me embo minister na baso ye kom don't talk but why who to me embo minister na baso won so what they assemble to so say minister no air koje bribe if you drive and ho how na get tax force being and a tax force ni bia e beti as say oh okay tax force ni no na ko koje bribe na we minister mo a o say koje bribe if you drive and ho how can you even say that it's here for ba eno ene asema eba me de meka ene se yeda nyankopon ase se yante asembone bia yeda nyankopon ase se the minister is alive ati ase moncha mwadwe wo comment box to me da ase